DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Stay forgetting to do this shit. But yeah, man, we're there with the vibes. So talk to me, chat. Talk to me, man. What y'all doing, man? We're gonna do 1SKIMASK Pudung. They wanna requested by True Life. You see me? 1SKIMASK, dope ass artist. You see me transitioning from a comedian to this, bro. It's like mad crazy. You see me? And then you're doing a pretty good job. I put enough artists. Well, people are claiming my artist to shame right now. Big man thing. So let's check it out. 1SKIMASK Pudung. Let's get it going.
Why SKIMASK? I'm not telling no lie.
What's poppin', bro?
No money, the boy don't want to spend. I mean, a girl who just don't like me, no man. Cause honestly, I just don't want to make my pussy wet.
What?
So right now, to the way the thing said.
Alright. First, me they agree when you say you don't like me, man. But right now, when you come talk about your money alone make you wet, I mean, say it's a gold digger. You don't forget nothing then, man. Move your blood, please. Where? Nothing $1 you don't forget.
So that's not money.
Where, girl?
Girl, if you love money, man, then you're safe with me pocket. Do not stop it, my car front of it, snap it. Listen, broke boy, you're not ready for the topic. A girl forget money from them, I run churches.
What? No, sir. No, that alone, man. No, that alone for make say, yo, exchanging Robin, me, I give, I mean, say, me, I figure, hey, go on.
So broke boy, you're not ready for the topic. A girl forget money from them, I run churches. Running pussy red. Fucking all the car, scam my life, man, I no bed. Money talk for me, socialist man.
You see that? Run it. Hey, you know that? Yeah, my life, man, no. Come in, no man, easy yourself.
They said, I'm not a free fuck, money from them, I run churches. Running pussy red. Fucking all the car, scam my life, man, I no bed.
Scam my life, man, I no bed. Hey,
money talk for me, socialist man. They said, I'm not a free fuck, me we buy you instead. Afi, Pudung. Pussy money a fee. Pudung. A pussy money a fee.
I mean, girl, I'm gonna love the one there, no, cause I flame topic, but hey, boy, SKIMASK, though, me no condone tricking in where the pan?
Pudung. A pussy money a fee. Pudung. Yeah, girl, sit down on the cocky all night.
Hey.
I'm from she good me alright.
That's facts. Easy no man. Yeah man. Now I'm to some boy.
Girl,
come
sit
in.
down on the cocky all night. I'm from she good me alright. Ooh, that fuck for fear. Boy, you beg your pussy and them can't do your hair. Makeup no cheap and Brazilian dear. Your man a move like statue. Wanna bring you out and them can't buy your battle.
Jaja, like statue me G. Oh, but man, I can't buy a buckle. Me, you can't go out and get a one juice and thing. Oh, go on. I forgot to buy a buckle. Who are trying to come here?
Your man a move like statue. Wanna bring you out and them can't buy your battle. Big team no know so the side man got you. See you on the grammar right there, so me and hat you. Consider on the body for the money, make me cut you. A good PP, make you boy not stop watch you.
One thing I say no matter about yo. If you know got your side man got one thing I tell a girl, you know. See if me not willing to do it and the next man willing to do it, you can't go on, you know. You see me? Cause no for the visa you got talk about, oh, him over the side do it and I be like, oh, him will do it though, and I be like, oh no, come we do it. Nah, nigga, if him feel like if you go on over the side, so niggas don't bother.
And you consider on the body for the money, make me cut you. A good PP, make you boy not stop watch your feet. Pudung. Pussy money a fee. Pudung.
Hey, me not lie still, you know, from a woman, yeah, girl good to you. And she give like good thing, them man, yeah man, you can treat her nice, brother, warm to you, man, so no,
pussy money a fee. Pudung. Yeah, girl, sit down on the cocky all night. I'm from she good me alright. A bad bitch of my type. You kill her money enough, me buy you anything you like. Sell the pussy now and ride the cocky like a bike. You brown.
Hey, woman, you see that boy? Yo, I go on. Hey, boy, follow the easy, you know that.
Kill her money enough, me buy you anything you like. Sell the pussy now and ride the cocky like a bike. Your brown friend, ask she white style. She want fuck for money, you're free Wi-Fi. Catch you free.
Your man say, ask your brown friend, ask her white style. You hear what I go on, so you over here say go on, you know. You see me, man, after you see me, you go on like say too much. Ask your friend white style, what go on over here, you see me?
Friend, ask she white style. She want fuck for money, you're free Wi-Fi.
And you
Catch you
go on,
free.
so.
Don't settle for your dime. Your pussy have the power where you make man cry. And can and him pocket tell him guy side dry. Cause him stingy. Pussy money a fee. Pudung.
You see me?
Pudung.
You see, if you mean it is still and the girl must you trick you getting them. Hey, yeah man, you deserve it. Blouse and skirt. Yeah, move me. But you see, if you have a try bleed, yeah, them girls have to go. You know what I'm saying?
Pudung. Pussy money a fee. Pudung. A pussy money a fee. Pudung.
Boys, hey, boys, skimas.
Yeah,
Do that condone tricking, nigga.
I from she good, me alright.
Yeah, man, like up live, gang. Like up live. As I come in, you see me like up live, gang.
A long time, I tell us if you top fucking broke boy, them in a mama. Can't have them the good pussy there and there foot and boy and I spend pan you, my friend. The fuck? Before that, you bring the pussy come.
Yeah.
Just tell me the price.
Yeah, man, me not buy no rated though. You see me, I say. But if a girl like you, me good and rare, make sure she good. You see me, I say. But we not buy that wrong. We not come and feel like say yo.
Fuck around here.
You see me? I mean, no man come take you for no walking bank. You see me, I say. I no money machine, brother. Don't make no man take you for no walking bank and money machine. Feel like say yo, then can use it for your money. Don't do that. You see me? Exchange ain't no robbery. Cartel say that, you know. You remember that, you know. Exchange ain't no robbery. You see me, I say. Me and you cocky, you give me punani. You see me, I say. So why you feel like say yo, me owe you something? I don't owe you nothing. Both of us giving each other pleasure. And if you deal with me good and more, make sure you're good. That's different. But me not have to come buy nothing. You know what that girl want? You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm tear, man. That girl out there want to G, you know, man. Yeah, me not have to pay for nothing, man. You see me as a gang? Yeah, man. Big up yourself. That mafia walk going on good. How y'all feeling? Let's talk.